Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 5 December 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination as per because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who is appointed as new Chief Executive Officer of BATA? Sandeep Kataria, Anil Kumar, A.K. Gupta, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Sandeep Kataria. The footwear measure BATA Shoes organization has appointed Sandeep Kataria as the new global chief executive officer, new global CEO of BATA. Okay, and remember one thing: the headquarters of the BATA is situated in Lausanne, Switzerland. And it is founded in 24 August 1894. 24 August 1894. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Question number 2. Which city is the world's most polluted city? Delhi, Lahore, Kathmandu, or option D, Kolkata? The answer here is the capital of Pakistan. What is? Option B is Lahore. Okay. The capital of Pakistan, Lahore, has been ranked as the world's most polluted city according to the US Air Quality Index, AQI, Air Quality Index. Okay. And Delhi is in the second position, and Kathmandu is in the third polluted city of the world. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, when Indian Navy Day is observed? 4 December, 5 December, 6 December, option D, 7 December. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is 4 December. Every year on 4 December, Indian Navy Day is observed. This day is celebrated for the achievements and role of the naval force to the country. Okay, and the theme of 2020 is Indian Navy combat ready, credible, and cohesive. Okay, and one thing, and another day also celebrated on the 4th December, that is International Day of Banks. International Day of Banks. Okay. And the Chief of Naval Staff, you answered in the comment section who is the Chief of Naval Staff and when Indian Navy was founded in India. Okay, please answer in the comment section. Our second question of the today's session is, International Zen Art Festival and Konark Festival 2020 begins in which state? West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, or option D, Tamil Nadu? As per you know, the famous Konark temple situated in Odisha. The correct answer here is option B, Odisha. Recently, the 9th edition of the International Sand Art Festival and the 31st edition of the Konark Festival has started in Odisha. Okay, the Sand Art Festival is started in the Chandrabhaga beach in the direction of the Padma Shri Award Sudarshan Patnaik. Okay. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganeshi Lal is the Governor of Odisha. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who is appointed as Fit India Movement Ambassador? Kuldeep Hendo, Ranbir Singh, Shahid Kapoor, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option A, Kuldeep Hendo. Recently, the Dronacharya awardee Kuldeep Hendo is appointed as the ambassador of Fit India Movement. You can see here the image of Kuldeep here. He is the Wushu coach in the Team India. One thing, remember that the Dronacharya award is given in the field of to the best coach. Okay, Dronacharya award given to the best coach. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. The former Prime Minister of which country, Jafarullah Jamali, passed away? Brazil, Australia, Pakistan, or option D, Bangladesh? The answer here is option C, Pakistan. The 15th Prime Minister of Pakistan, Jarafullah Khan Jamali, passed away. He served as the Prime Minister from the November 2002 to June 2004. You can see here the image of the former Prime Minister of the Pakistan recently passed away. Next question. Nongpak Sekmai police station of which state topped the list of best police station in India? Assam, Manipur, Tamil Nadu or option D Jharkhand. Situated in which state? Nongpak Sekmai police station. It is situated in Manipur. Okay. The Nongpak Sekmai police station in Manipur topped the list of the best police station in the India. Best police station in India. You can see here the top 5 police station of our country. Okay, in Manipur, you can see here the Nongpak Sekmai police station situated in Thoubal district. In Tamil Nadu, AWPS Surmangalam, it is a women police station. Okay, and it is situated in Salim city. In Arunachal Pradesh, Changlang. In Kharsang, you can see here Chhattisgarh and Goa also here. Okay, these are the list of the top 5 police station of our country. Okay. Next question. Who has topped the list of wealthiest women in India? Wealthiest women in India. Roshni Nadar Malhotra, Deepika Padukone, Varsha Joshi or option D Naram Tej. The answer here is Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Recently the chairperson of the HCL Technology. Remember, she was the chairman. Recently, she is the chairman of HCL Technologies. Roshni Nadar Malhotra has topped the list of the wealthiest women in India according to second edition of Kotak Wealth Kurun Leading Wealthy Women Report. Okay, you can see here the image of the Roshni Nadar Malhotra. Recently, the top the list of wealthiest women in India. Next question. Which company has topped the Fortune India 500 ranking 2020? HCL, पतंजलि, रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री और ऑप्शन डी टाटा ग्रुप. आंसर क्या होगा यहाँ? कौन सी कंपनी 500 रैंकिंग 2020 लिस्ट में टॉप पे है? द करेक्ट आंसर हियर इज रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री. ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट हियर. रिलायंस इंडस्ट्री लिमिटेड हैज टॉप्ड द 2020 फॉर्च्यून 500 list of the Indian companies released. Okay, the CEO of Reliance Industry is Mukesh Ambani. Next question. World greatest athlete turned actor Rafael Johnson passed away. He belongs to which country? France, America, Germany, option D China. Which country? America. Option B is correct here. American film actor Rafael Johnson, who is 1960 Olympic awardee, Olympic gold medalist, has recently passed away. You can see here the image. After retired from the athlete, he acted in many films, famous Hollywood picture. Next question. India and which country signed an MOU in the field of intellectual property cooperation? USA, China, Japan or option D Sri Lanka? Which country? India signed with MOU with which country recently? It is answer here is USA, United States of America. Recently, the government of India and the USA have signed an MOU in the field of intellectual property cooperation. Okay. Washington DC is the capital of USA. Recently, Joe Biden won the presidential election of USA. Kamala Harris is the vice president, going to be the vice president of USA, who's already won. Okay, and US dollar is the currency of USA. Question number 10. Who has achieved the highest ever rating point in T20 cricket? KL Rahul, David Malan, Aaron Finch, Babar Azam. Which is the correct answer here? The answer here is option B, David Malan. The David Malan of England has attained the highest ever rating points for batsmen in the MRF Tires ICC Men's T20 player ranking. And remember one thing, Aaron Finch is in the second position, Babar Azam is in the third position, and KL Rahul of our India is in the fourth position in the highest ever rating point T20 cricket. And Virat Kohli dropped down to the 9th position. okay, in this rating point. And remember, David Malan is in the first position, and this question is very much important in exam perspective view. Okay, as per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay, so our first question is, which country recently declared a climate emergency? Our second question is, India invites whom as chief guest on Republic Day 2021? Please try to answer in the comment section in a comprehensive way. If you mention one country name, then also mention the capital and the currency also. Okay, thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it, educational related group, thereby many students got help. And those who first visit educational wing, a humble request to them, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, thank you, have a great day.